Welcome to the GoodDay Work Schedule tutorial. In this video, we'll explain the importance of setting up work schedules for effective team management. You'll learn how to configure a default schedule for your organization and create custom schedules for individual users. Setting a correct work schedule is essential as it integrates closely with GoodDay's core features. These include workload and resource planning, time tracking, and the attendance module. A properly configured schedule ensures accurate operation across these modules, supporting seamless management and reliable planning. To set the default work schedule for your organization, go to Settings, HR, and select Work Schedule. From this screen, you can configure the default workdays and define the standard duration for each workday. To create a custom work schedule for a specific user, open the Company Users list. You can quickly review users' current schedules by adding the Work Schedule column to the list. To modify a user's schedule, select the user, go to the Info tab, and click Work Schedule. From this screen, you can customize their workdays and set the default duration for each workday. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.